Welcome to this detailed tutorial on removing a duplicate homepage from your WordPress site. In this guide you will learn how to navigate through WordPress and eliminate the second homepage so that your site functions exactly as you intend. To begin, open your web browser and go to the WordPress website. Once the site loads, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you will find a login button. Clicking this button will start the process of logging into your WordPress account. After you click on the login option, you will be prompted to choose a login method. Select the option that reads Continue with Google. Once you click on it, a list of Google accounts associated with your device will be displayed. Choose the account you frequently use for managing your WordPress site. This method ensures a smooth and secure login experience thanks to your trusted Google credentials. Once you have successfully logged in, locate the Quick Link section on your WordPress dashboard. In this section, you will see an option labeled Edit Site. This option is your gateway to editing your site's layout and content. By clicking on Edit Site, you open up the Site Editor, a powerful tool that allows you to manage various elements of your website. After the site editor loads, move your cursor to the header area where the navigation menu is displayed. You will need to double click on this navigation menu. This action allows you to bring up the editing tools specifically related to the header menu, so you can make the necessary adjustments to remove the duplicate homepage. With the navigation menu active, direct your attention to the settings panel on the right side of the editor. There you will find a tab labeled Block. Click on the Block tab to view all options available for modifying the currently selected element of your site. This area of the editor provides access to various settings that control the appearance and functionality of the navigation menu. Within the block settings, carefully look for the duplicate homepage link that was created unintentionally. The duplicate link is clearly visible in the list of menu items displayed in this panel. Once you have located it, proceed by moving closer to the editing options available for that particular link. You should now see a small icon consisting of 3 dots. Click on the 3 dots to reveal additional actions that can be performed on the duplicate link. This menu provides more granular control over the elements in your site editor. After clicking the 3 dots, choose the option labeled Remove Home Link. This simple action will eliminate the duplicate homepage link from your navigation menu. Once you have made your selection, make sure to save your changes. Saving ensures that the adjustments are applied to your site immediately and prevents any accidental loss of edits. Following these clear steps will effectively remove the extra homepage link that was cluttering your navigation menu. The process is straightforward and designed to be completed in just a few minutes, significantly enhancing the user experience on your WordPress site. This tutorial offers a practical example of managing and customizing your site using built-in WordPress features, allowing you to maintain a clean and professional web presence. Enjoy the benefits of a more streamlined navigation and improved overall appearance of your website after implementing these changes.